To set assistant menu opacity in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accessibility. Tap Dexterity and Interaction. Tap Assistant Menu. Tap Assistant Menu switch until blue to enable. Drag the opacity slider left or right to adjust. Or you can also tap plus or minus icon to adjust. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.